Okay, this video is going to show us how to navigate to the Unit 3 Lessons 1 through 4 assessment on the connected online textbook website. So you can see that I've already navigated to the website up here, connected.mcgraw-hill.com. And in the username, what we're going to need to do is type in our username followed by PGCPS in caps, in all caps. So the username is actually your ID number followed by PGCPS in all caps, and the password is the same thing except the PGCPS is not in caps, it's in lowercase this time. So this is just one of my students here. I'm not sure who it is, but we're going to click login. You might have multiple textbooks on here, but obviously we need to go to the Algebra 2 textbook, so we're going to click on that. And from this screen, we are going to need to click on the More button under Homework. Then we're going to click on Due Later, and we have Unit 3 Lessons 1 through 4 Assessment. It says here in the instructions to click the image to start working on this homework. Obviously, it's not a homework, it's really an assessment. When you finish, you will turn it in. After you turn in this homework, you will not be able to restart it. So this is a one-time only thing, so make sure that when you start working on this that you have enough time to focus and finish it in one sitting. You're not going to be able to work on part of it at a time and then come back and finish it at some other point in time. It needs to be all done in one sitting. So we clicked on the book and we have this pop-up window come up. Are we ready to begin? We're going to click yes, and now we're going to start. So you can see that this assessment has 9 questions. Our first thing, we need to sketch the graph of 3 times 1/2 to the x power and then state the domain's function, state the function's domain and range. So just working on that, we've got some symbols here that we might need to use. And we can click in here and we can type stuff and so forth. So then just navigating through all the questions, we've got a function here. We're going to solve this for the letter M. Once we get our value of M, we can type it in here. You're just going to continue working through all the questions. Question 3 is a multiple choice question, so you would click the drop down. 4 is another short answer. 5 is a short answer. I want to show questions 8 and 9 because these are questions that are going to be similar to Common Core questions on the PARCC test. They're interactive questions. So we have some question and it says you need to type the correct number of years into the box. So obviously whenever you get your answer, you're going to click on the box and you're going to use this pop-up window to type in your answer for the number of years that it will take this population to reach 25,000 rabbits. And then once you have your answer, you come down here and you click next. Question 9 is another sample interactive question that you might see on a PARCC exam. And so this is a multiple choice question, and once you have your answer, you're just going to need to click on the box for whichever is the correct answer that you've decided upon. Once you click your answer, we're going to hit finish. Are you sure you want to finish the assignment? Make sure that you have answered all of your questions by the time you're ready to submit this. If you click yes to finish this and you haven't done all the questions, then it's just going to automatically mark those questions that you haven't done wrong. So again, make sure you finish all the questions. Make sure you can do this in one sitting. And then once you have everything done, you're going to go ahead and finish the assignment and submit it. So I'm going to hit yes now. Once you do that, it's going to give you a little pop-up that show you what your answer was and what the correct answer was. So you'll see immediate feedback on how you did on this assessment, but you won't be able to change anything at that point. So just make sure that when you do this, again, you have enough time to finish everything in one sitting. Take your time, do the best you possibly can. Okay, that's it. Good luck.